Shout out to the wet plenties. Y'all know we got something going today. Something going today, right? Yeah. Look at him. Oh, that one don't look too happy, do it? Yeah. But the other ones do. Ha! Shouts out to them damn autos. They gonna do what they do. Yeah, and if they don't look right, change them. That one's not. Let's see. But yeah, that's 10-2. That's like Vivo Sun 4x4 VS 1000. Y'all know we've been keeping it cracking with that. 10-1's that Morris Hydro TS 2000. Same like we have in here. Shouts out to that. And of course we got big homie, son of Upton Seed Company. Yeah, Auto Chucker. You know, we got his genetics in here right now. Shout out to the big homie, aka Bear Miller, aka Triple B Farms. Y'all know we got some things in here. Then we got some dragon fruit, a plant type Pokemon. Yeah, we got a random plant type Pokemon. He's sitting there looking at you like, yeah, UWC, he's getting it in. Let you know. Let's see. It's got another runner growing on it, so it'll grow more berries once I get a couple more runners established. Trying to get the other side of that pot filled in too naturally, so I ain't worried about strawberries. We've already seen that they produce strawberries, so yeah, we're doing good as far as growing our strawberries out. So then we'll get them to thicken up, and then we'll start cutting the runners after that because we won't need them. Won't need them. Gotta go. Yeah, we'll get it planted and growing, and then we'll be like, yeah, ain't no runners. We got berries. Shout out to the berry squad. Yeah, y'all see I got them pots. Thing I gotta do is put water and plants in them. Y'all already know we got enough plants started in the tent to fill them up if we need to, so that's the good thing there. Fill this room right back up and then empty it right back out, right? Right, by the time those get to start getting big, these autos will be out of here because they're autos. They won't be taking too long. You know, quick in and out. Like, man, that 90 days went by quick. Depends on how long they actually veg out, though, before they flip. Hell, y'all how quick these went. Yeah, they already done flip already on you. Shoe out of there. Get you the crib. Uh-oh. Hit this with some water.